Now, before I talk about how 20-year-olds are taking advantage of the new arbitrage economy to get all the service fulfillment taken care of for them, I want you to think about the whole scenario the world has been going through the last 2 years and its impact on the way businesses operate. A lot of businesses saw their main sources of revenue vanish right in front of their eyes, and they were forced to move online to survive, and this process is still going on. Countless businesses in your city, in fact, probably right next to where you live, are desperately looking for someone to help them sell online. And the best part is, they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Imagine those gigantic stores or dealerships or gyms that you see. They are literally sitting on hundreds of thousands, if not millions of stock, and they need someone to help them sell it. So for them, $10,000 a month is a measly fee in order for you to do that. And it's not just the gigantic stores. It is your local hair salon. It's your local realtor. They know that they need to start selling online. They need to start bringing the leads in from online. Otherwise, it's 2 to 3 years and they will be out of business. Now, Sufyan is living proof of that. He managed to sign a local business from his hometown in Germany for a one-time fee of 15,000 euros plus a 2,500 euro a month retainer in just 1 month of using this business model. And the best part is, the demand for such services is way higher than the number of people who can deliver them. Meaning there's a gigantic gap in the market, and the people who take advantage of this opportunity are inevitably going to do well. So if you haven't guessed it yet, the business model is selling ROI marketing services for small businesses. Now that's the exact business model that Jermaine used to go from working full-time, having to take the tube into overpopulated central London every morning, to now hitting his first $5,000 a month profit in his first 6 months, all from the comfort of his own home. Now, Michael also used this business model to make 6 figures in 5 months selling ROI marketing services for local businesses, after spending 6 entire years failing at other online ventures such as affiliate marketing, Shopify, eBay, and more. Now, I'll explain in detail what exactly ROI marketing services are in just a minute. Just know that this might be one of the best opportunities of the decade right in front of your eyes. Now, let's take a step back here, because you're probably asking yourself, okay, but I don't know how to actually help these businesses sell online. And that leads us directly to this new and unique opportunity of the new arbitrage economy. You see, it's really simple. The businesses that are succeeding in the new economy are not the ones that own the final solution, but rather the ones that connect the end consumer to the final product and set their own prices for doing so. For example, Expedia doesn't own any hotel room or airplanes. They simply connect hotels and airlines to customers who are looking to travel. And in the end, their net profit is actually higher than the airlines and hotels themselves. Uber does the exact same thing. It connects drivers to people who need a way of transport without owning any cars or drivers. Airbnb doesn't own any houses or apartments. Alibaba doesn't have any stock. Even TikTok, one of the biggest content production apps, doesn't produce any content. The content creators do that for them. All these businesses are simply arbitraging supply and demand. They find customers with a problem and connect them to a solution, all under their brand so they can have a solid markup on their services. And what we do is the exact same thing through what I call contractor arbitrage. We simply find contractors to do great and inexpensive work for us. And that's exactly how Jordan is making $7,500 a week and planning to scale up to $50,000 a month in the next few months. So what we do is we sell ROI marketing services to local businesses or small online e-commerce brands and get someone else to fulfill it for us. And we make from $1,500 to $10,000 per month per client for it. And that is why this opportunity is for anyone with no prior experience or skill. Now, Nicholas is the perfect example, making more money in 48 hours than he did working 2 months at his day job. And that's why this is the perfect beginner-friendly business, because you don't have to deal with inventory or shipping. You don't have to make hundreds of sales to make a decent income. You don't have to invest thousands to get the business running, and someone else takes care of the fulfillment for you.